Introduce highlight features or overview summary of AKSDA Snowflake Christmas Projector Lights Outdoor. Key features include: the dual-head LED Christmas projector light is a festive lighting solution designed to transform any space into a magical winter wonderland. With two powerful projection heads, this advanced holiday projector casts dynamic snowflake patterns that move gracefully across walls, ceilings, trees, and outdoor surfaces. The enhanced brightness and wide coverage ensure that your decorations truly come alive, creating a captivating visual effect that heightens the festive spirit. Whether used indoors or outdoors, this projector offers a charming and elegant alternative to traditional Christmas lights, making it perfect for setting the mood for family gatherings, parties, or simply elevating everyday holiday decor. Built for durability and convenience, the projector features an IP65 waterproof rated light head that allows it to operate smoothly in rainy or snowy weather, ensuring consistent performance even in harsh outdoor conditions. Paired with an IP44 waterproof power adapter, the device is designed for long-lasting reliability. Its built-in timer function adds further ease of use. The system automatically turns off after 6 hours of operation and switches on again after 18 hours, maintaining a seamless cycle without needing daily adjustments. This makes the projector ideal for homeowners who want a festive lighting setup that works effortlessly throughout the season. The projector utilizes advanced high-brightness LED technology, producing clear, vivid, and beautifully defined snowflake patterns. With a projection distance reaching up to 12 meters or 40 feet, and a coverage area of 40 square meter or 400 square feet, it can decorate larger surfaces with ease. This ensures that whether you place it in a spacious yard, garden, or indoors for a party, the projector delivers an immersive and enchanting holiday atmosphere. Installation is simple thanks to 3 versatile mounting options: wall-mounted, base-mounted, or ground-mounted. The adjustable light head, which rotates up to 180 degrees, allows you to fine-tune the projection angle for maximum effect. With no complicated tools required, anyone can set it up quickly and enjoy the magical ambience it creates. As a thoughtful holiday addition, this projector also makes an excellent gift for friends and family, perfect for Christmas, New Year celebrations, birthday parties, or seasonal gatherings. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.